Welcome to the future, where artificial intelligence is reshaping our world. Today we dive into the realm of ChatGPT and its potential startup ideas for the upcoming year, 2024. ChatGPT, a language model by OpenAI, is driving innovation with its impressive capabilities. Its ability to generate human-like text is opening up a world of opportunities, transforming industries and paving the way for the growth of AI. From conversational marketing platforms to AI-powered mental health chatbots, the potential is vast and the future is exciting. So buckle up as we explore the top 10 ChatGPT startup ideas to kickstart in 2024. Idea number 1, conversational marketing platforms. With the rise of artificial intelligence and machine learning, the marketing landscape is rapidly transforming, and ChatGPT is leading the charge. Imagine having real-time, personalized conversations with your customers around the clock. Sounds impossible? Not quite. With ChatGPT, we can create marketing platforms that can engage customers just like a human would. It's like having a personal assistant for every customer, providing information, answering queries, and even suggesting products based on their preferences. This level of personalized interaction can lead to increased customer engagement, satisfaction, and ultimately, sales. No more one-size-fits-all marketing. With ChatGPT, we're looking at a future of marketing that's as unique as each customer. Imagine a platform where every customer feels personally catered to. That's the power of a ChatGPT-driven conversational marketing platform. Moving on to idea number 2, AI-powered mental health chatbots. Imagine a world where mental health support is available round the clock, right at your fingertips. This is exactly what AI-powered mental health chatbots aim to provide. They leverage the capabilities of ChatGPT, a language model developed by OpenAI, to engage in human-like conversations. These chatbots can be designed to offer immediate emotional support, helping people cope with feelings of anxiety, stress, or loneliness anytime and anywhere. They act as a first point of contact in times of distress, providing a safe and non-judgmental space for individuals to express their feelings. Furthermore, these chatbots can help in reducing the stigma associated with seeking mental health support. They can provide people with the comfort and privacy they need to open up about their struggles, which is a crucial step towards seeking professional help. With the integration of machine learning, these bots can also learn from each interaction, thereby improving their response over time. This makes them an effective and scalable solution to provide mental health support to a large number of people simultaneously. In conclusion, the potential of AI in mental health is immense. A sensitive, always available chatbot could be the game changer in mental health support. Next up, idea number 3, educational chat assistants. Picture a world where learning is no longer one-size-fits-all. With the advent of OpenAI's ChatGPT, we're on the verge of an educational revolution. These intelligent chat assistants can provide personalized learning experiences, shaping the educational journey according to each student's pace and style of learning. Imagine a student struggling with calculus at 2 in the morning. An educational chat assistant, powered by ChatGPT, can step in, break down complex problems, and explain them in a way the student understands. No more waiting for office hours or sifting through confusing textbooks. And it's not just for students. Teachers can use these chat assistants to answer queries, grade assignments, or even create custom lesson plans. The possibilities are endless. With ChatGPT, we're not just talking about enhancing education, we're talking about transforming it. Education tailored to every student's needs. That's the promise of ChatGPT-powered educational chat assistants. Now, onto ideas 4 and 5, HR chatbots and multilingual customer support platforms. Imagine a world where HR operations are streamlined with the help of AI. HR chatbots, powered by ChatGPT, are capable of handling numerous employee queries, from leave requests to policy information, around the clock. This not only reduces workload for the HR team, but also ensures that employees get immediate responses to their queries. Moving on to the next idea, multilingual customer support platforms. The beauty of AI lies in its ability to break barriers, language being one of them. A customer support platform powered by ChatGPT can interact with clients in their native language, enhancing their experience and ensuring clear communication. This eliminates the need for large multilingual support teams and creates a more inclusive customer environment. From HR to customer support, ChatGPT has the potential to redefine business operations. Let's dig into ideas 6 and 7, interactive storytelling apps and legal assistance chatbots. Picture this. An app that weaves tales based on your preferences, creating a unique narrative experience every time. This is the potential of interactive storytelling apps powered by ChatGPT. It learns from user inputs, shaping the plot twists and character arcs, resulting in a truly personalized story. Now imagine having legal advice at your fingertips, without the hefty consultation fees. Legal assistance chatbots can make this a reality. With the ability to understand and process natural language, ChatGPT can provide basic legal guidance, making the law more accessible to the masses. It can help users understand legal jargon, draft simple legal documents, or guide them through a legal process. Whether it's captivating stories or legal advice, ChatGPT can truly democratize information. Finally, we have ideas 8, 9, and 10, code review platforms, personalized health coaches, and language learning apps. First, let's talk about code review platforms. Picture this: a platform where you can submit your code and have it reviewed by a virtual assistant. With ChatGPT, this could become a reality. The AI can analyze your code, identify potential errors, and suggest corrections. It could even offer advice on optimizing your code. This would not just speed up the development process but also provide an excellent learning opportunity for budding coders. Next, we have personalized health coaches. As we become more conscious of our health, having a personalized health coach at our fingertips would be a game changer. Imagine a virtual coach that understands your unique health needs and fitness goals. It could provide nutrition advice, workout plans, and even mental health support, all personalized to you. With an AI like ChatGPT, this level of customization could be possible. And finally, we have language learning apps. Learning a new language can be a challenge, but what if you had a tool that could converse with you in any language at any time? ChatGPT could be that tool. It could help you practice conversations, correct your grammar, and even help you expand your vocabulary. It's like having a language tutor available 24/7. From coding to health to language learning, ChatGPT can be a powerful tool in personal development. And there you have it, the top 10 ChatGPT startup ideas to kickstart in 2024. We've seen a range of possibilities from conversational marketing platforms to AI-powered mental health chatbots. We've talked about how educational chat assistants can revolutionize learning, how HR chatbots and multilingual customer support can streamline operations in businesses, and how interactive storytelling apps and legal assistance chatbots can change the way we engage with technology. Then, we explored the potential of code review platforms, personalized health coaches, and language learning apps, all powered by ChatGPT. These ideas are not just innovative, they hold the potential to redefine industries, to make our lives easier, and to create new opportunities for entrepreneurs. The versatility of ChatGPT is truly astounding. It's not just a tool, it's a catalyst for change, a game changer in the truest sense. Its capacity to understand, respond, and learn from human language can transform how we interact with machines, making them more than just devices but partners in our day-to-day tasks. Ultimately, the potential of ChatGPT extends far beyond these 10 ideas. As we look ahead to 2024, the possibilities are endless. This AI technology can open doors to new ideas we haven't even thought of yet. The future of AI is here, and it's called ChatGPT. So, are you ready to kickstart your startup journey in 2024? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the world of tech. Until next time, keep innovating. Please put "I subscribed" in the comments as well.